Got a really nice 1767 factory Kombi here with delivery mileage, just under 250 miles this van's done, so it's virtually in as new condition. Really good spec. It's a 150 brake horse DSG automatic short wheelbase with satellite navigation and electric twin sliding doors, so really nice spec. One of the best colours. We're going to start here and I'm carefully going to show you around. We've got the rear opening windows, sidebars, new 20-inch wheels and tyres, gloss blacking all around the mirrors there, so all the plastic's been glossed. Same on the front, so we've got a sport lifestyle front bumper with fog lights, all the grills really nicely done in gloss black. Same with the grille up front and also the badge. If you didn't like the badge, we can put your chrome on, by the way. You can see in the centre there it's got the sensor for the cruise control. I'm not going to show you things in detail because the bodywork is obviously as new. So we'll move to the back and show you it's got the tailgate with glazed window, heated rear window, spoiler at the top, R badging, factory rear park sensors and carbon style bumper trim. I'll lift the back and show you how nice it is in here. It's all carpeted throughout with LED lights on a separate switch for the roof. Also underneath the tailgate we've got some LED lights which simply switch on here. It'll be a handy thing there at night, shining down. Soft flooring. It really does look nice in the back there. Just give you a quick look in the rear. So on the key you can use the remotes to open the doors or pull the handle and they're electric, open and close. Leather in this one's got our black R logos on the rear there, black leather with white stitching. So nice design, double seat there and a single one at the side. All folding, all factory. Look in the front. I'm just going to switch the ignition on there to show you underneath the dashboard. We've had all coloured LEDs put in. So you've got a little remote control here which you can alter the colour. If you have them flashing for instance, so lots you can do there. We've got twin captain seats up front, the armrests, leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control, factory satellite navigation. It's got the button here for the apps. We've got radio with DAB, media, DSG gearbox with Tiptronic function, climate control. We've got a heated front windscreen and we've got USB ports there in the dash. So the mileage is 245 delivery miles. Heated electric mirrors. So I'll just stand back and give you an overall view of the van. Dark privacy glass to the rear. Really does look good. So full description of this one and our other vans on Just Nice Cars and justnicevans.co.uk. Any questions, please give us a call. We'll answer any questions for you. Finance quotes, part exchange. Thank you for watching.